Hi, my name's Chris, and yes, just like you, I have anxiety. I think we all do to some extent. I've come to learn that anxiety is part of life, and that's okay. But I hope you know that it doesn't have to control you. We can do so much more than just compartmentalize anxiety. We can learn to embrace it and overcome it and live a happy and healthy life. But first, I need to talk about a myth that we've been falling for. I call this myth the path of least resistance. Many of us think that we can have a stress-free life if we just avoid all the things that are stressful and only do the things that feel good. And honestly, that kind of makes sense, right? I mean, what does a stress-free life look like for you? Close your eyes and imagine it. Does it mean no more working overtime? No more bills or student loans? No more homework? And what would you do with all your new free time? Fill it with eating delicious food and watching movies and taking long walks by the beach? I know that sounds amazing, but that lifestyle actually doesn't lead to happiness. There are plenty of studies that show that wealthier people are not happier people. I actually made a whole video about how winning $10,000 didn't make me any happier. But the point is, there are thousands of people out there who can afford to live walking down the path of least resistance and are still filled with anxiety and emptiness. So here's my secret to overcoming anxiety. Create contrast. The concept of contrast will help you understand what it truly means to live a life of balance. Balance isn't found in coasting through life in a straight line, only doing the things that make you feel comfortable and staying away from the things that make you anxious. Of course, there may be times in life when the healthiest thing you can do is cut out the activities and people that are toxic. But in general, running away from your problems is not the answer. Because the more things you run away from, the more power you give to your anxiety. Instead of coasting through life, I have found that creating contrast has made me more happy and fulfilled. Let me explain what this means with a simple example. The couch. It's a comfy place to sit, right? And you might think that because sitting on the couch is comfortable, you can maximize your comfort by sitting there all day. But if we've learned anything from the COVID quarantines, we know that sitting on the couch gets real old real fast. Now think about working out. It can be exhausting, boring, and even painful. But there really is nothing like going for a run, elevating your heart rate, sweating a little bit, and then coming home and crashing on the couch. That feeling right there is the power of contrast. Not only are there plenty of benefits of working out, but you're able to maximize the comfort of the couch by working out first. Now, just apply that to life. Whatever you do, do it with all your might. You've heard the phrase, work hard, play hard? Well, we need to work hard and rest hard. Instead of running away from the things that give you anxiety, run into them headlong. But make sure to create time for intentional rest afterwards as you recover and process things. And not only will those stressful situations get easier, but your times of rest will be that much more rewarding. When you create contrast and deepen the ebbs and flows of your life, I think you'll find true balance